Hello guys, this is Progress FS speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, still on gold analysis. I had a buy on gold now, and I want to also show you the reason why I bought gold. And in confirmation with the previous analysis, if you've not watched it, click on our videos and watch out the analysis. I told you that when gold gets to this last demand and supply area, this spot, this particular red candlestick, that once it retests it, it is going to start a reversal, even if it is not a full-time reversal, but it's going to reverse to some extent before continuing the trend again. So today we've been selling gold since Monday according to the analysis. And as you can see, the price retested this very supply area of the last uptrend and started pulling back, which means that this candlestick, this current candlestick, is either going to form pin bar today or a bullish engulfing candlestick before the market closes properly today. So the point here is, based on the previous analysis, we had shape placed on this particular previous demand and supply area. So in confirmation to that, because you know that gold Australia dollars and gold euro and gold USD, they trades the same, but sometimes one moves faster than another. Sometimes one gets better confirmation than the other. So the point is, when one is ready, or the two is ready as against one, it moves the other one. So here is the fact. If you go to 4 hours time frame, based on the analysis I told you about, according to these setups, here you will find out that the MACD signal line had already tested the 100 oversold line, and of course pull up and come back, like I said, to form divergence. Let us apply divergence line to see what I am talking about. So that's why I don't like using phone to do analysis, because sometimes it's a bit stressful. So here is the first line, and this is DEX. So you see the divergence it formed. So, but when you check on gold, gold formed similar divergence, but this MACD signal line have not tested hasn't tested the 100 oversold line. As you can see here, it's never tested, except what tested was, is the demarker, like I told you. So because the demarker tested the MACD signal line and pull back again to retest the 100 oversold signal line, and came back to retest this MACD signal line. So that gives me the confirmation that the two of them are going to add together as usual. So I had to buy gold in confirmation to this demand and supply area. It retested this place. So, but in the previous analysis, I used shapes to make these lines like this place and this supply area too. You see this red candlestick? I used shape to indicate it in the last analysis because I was using a big screen. So, but because I want to make it snappy, I had to use my phone. So the point here is, certainly gold will come back to form probably W format. Another one in conjunction to this very one. Maybe tomorrow it's going to range here, come back maybe. If it's not able to break this area, then you have it correct that is going to trend up. So what am I trying to say? Let me use arrow lines to indicate what I mean. Or do I just use similar? This is something like this. That's probably what is going to happen tomorrow. So just keep your eyes on the market, right? So the point I made here is one has gone up. So tomorrow it will try to pull up again in addition to this. So the point is, if it comes down and is not able to break the highest high of today, the lowest high of the lowest low of today, then it means that the price is going to go up strongly. Sometimes it might go up very strongly and still come back to retest. If it is going to break it, then goes up. So, but should this place finally forms this pin bar, then there will be possibility of tomorrow candlestick not to break this pin bar because it have already retested this demand and supply area. So whichever way, keep your eyes on the market. So today, based on the analysis so far, I have made the normal 200 euros as I bargained. This is mistakenly entered automatically by my system because when you look at this, MT5 already now has new updated version. So which means once you touch it, it buys or sells automatically, except when you remove it from this point. Just as you can see, when I click it, it goes off. So when you click it, it comes down and stands by. So that is what made these entries. So currently, the BTC USD signal I gave is still running, which I am still holding. So the buys I made on gold is this, of which I'm going to close maybe in 1 hour time from now. So that is what you should expect next on gold from this analysis. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell.
You got this.